Welcome to this course on Project Management Fundamentals. This is a course on helping you build a solid foundation for project management. Let's take a look at what you can expect from this course and what I expect from you in this course. First off, let's talk about some introductions here. Why are you taking this course? What do you want from this course? Is this to learn more about project management? Is that your primary goal? Or are you taking this course to launch a career in project management? So I want you to really think about what is your primary goal and maybe some secondary goals about why you're taking this course. Why is this course important to you? Why am I teaching this course? I've been teaching project management for many years now, and as you know, I have many project management courses online and I teach in person. But when I go to teach project management, I meet a lot of people that are brand new to project management. And sometimes the courses that I'm teaching aren't really relevant to those new PMs. And the primary reason why I'm teaching this course is to address that audience. And you're probably in that audience as well. And hey, we all have to start somewhere. All of us have to begin on day one as a project manager. So as we move through this course, I don't want to talk down to you. I want to respect you as an adult and as a project manager, but I want to make certain that you have a good, solid foundation to build upon. So this course is, as I've mentioned in the introduction, it's very basic, very fundamental. And then you can build on that and grow on that. So some of this material you may have been exposed to before, and some of it may be brand new, and that's okay. I just want to make certain that we have a clear understanding and a clear foundation of what project management is and what project management is not. Some goals for this course. Well, I want you to set some goals from this course as we talked about why are you taking this course. So some goals that I have for you in this course is one, to learn about project management and to have a clear and accurate understanding of what project management is and why we use project management. And then I have a goal for you to finish this course, to be consistent. It's not a terribly long course. It's certainly not a difficult course. And I want you to finish this course. So that's my goal for you, and I want you to have some goals as well of what you want to get out of this course to build a solid foundation of project management. In this course, we're going to define projects and project management. So we'll start off with just what is a project and what is project management. Always a good idea to have a clear understanding of the fundamentals, and then we can build on that as we move forward. I want to help you improve your career as a project manager. Maybe you are a project manager on accident, that you just kind of fell into the role, or you want to grow your career and become a project manager. In either case, I want to improve your career. And how we'll do that is first by having a good understanding of the principles of project management. And then you can build upon that and deliver results. And that's just going to bolster your career and to help you be more effective. We'll talk about the boundaries of project management. There are some boundaries, some things that are within the scope of a project manager's powers, and then things that are not. And in this course, we follow the project management life cycle. So we'll talk more about that coming up. But we follow a logical approach to project management. So where are you as a project manager? So I want you to think about how many projects you've managed, maybe none, maybe just a few. Maybe you've managed some projects and they didn't go so well. So with all of that behind us, let's start looking forward. So maybe you do have a little bit of experience in project management, but if you're brand new to it, that's fine as well. In this course, we'll be talking about a lot of terms and definitions, and that's important for you as a project manager to be able to speak the language or to understand that nomenclature that is within the realm of project management. So as we move through the course, if I mention a term and I don't define it, let me know, ask a question, and I'm happy to answer those, because other people may have that same question. But it's important for you to understand that there's going to be a lot of terms and definitions that are unique or special to project management. And by understanding those, it helps you to operate more efficiently and effectively as a project manager in your career. So how it works here and where you work may be two different things. So I'm going to talk about the generally accepted practices of project management. Now, project management really can come in a lot of different flavors, and it's really easy to change or mold or to create your own set of processes where you work. So your organization might do things a little differently than how I talk about in this course. And that's okay. As you become more and more experienced as a project manager, you'll see how the flexibility of project management gives you more options, that we don't have to be so rigid in order to get to an end result. So in this course, though, you may see some things, well, like, that's not how we do it where I work. And that's fine. That's just the nature of project management, that it's you can meld it and adapt it, and it's fluid for each organization. But there are some general rules and guidelines that every project should follow, and we'll talk about those throughout this course. Now, learning is hard work. So this is not the most interesting topic. It can be a little bit dry. So I try to break it up and have a little bit of fun. So as we move through the course, I'm going to try to interject a little bit of humor. Notice I said try. And I want you to feel comfortable, and I'll try to keep a conversational tone as we move through the course. If you have a question or you don't understand something, please ask. So you can post a question, and I'm happy to respond to those. Now, as we move through the course, we have some sections and lectures and quizzes. And so sections are like big chunks or big divisions of information. And then lectures are specific topics within a sections. Now, generally sections will have an overview, like we're talking about now, a lecture or mini lectures. There may be some resources. I have some templates and other handouts that you can download, a quiz, and then we'll wrap up that section. So that's what you can expect with sections and lectures as we move through the course. Okay, good job finishing this first overview, this first lecture about everything we're going to talk about in this course and how this course works. Let's keep moving forward.